As we are approaching 2024, I thought it would be nice to share the top 5 books that have impacted me the most and that I highly recommend you add to your reading list for the new year. These books have truly transformed how I think about life, success, happiness, and money. I genuinely believe they have the power to change your mindset and trajectory as well, if you integrate the key lessons into your life. So without further ado, let's get into the list. Book number 1, The Richest Man in Babylon. This classic personal finance book follows the parables of Arkad, the richest man in ancient Babylon, as he shares the financial wisdom that helped him build his wealth. Key lessons include paying yourself first, living below your means, investing rather than overspending on liabilities, and the power of compound interest over time. This book helped me realize that building wealth is more about cultivating positive money habits than how much you earn. Book number 2, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This bestseller by Robert Kiyosaki compares the advice his 2 fathers gave him, his educated but poor dad, and his rich dad who dropped out of school but became a successful entrepreneur. It highlights the importance of financial intelligence, investing, having assets that generate passive income rather than just having a job, and misconceptions about money. This shaped my view of assets and how essential investing is. Book number 3, The Science of Getting Rich. Written by Wallace D. Wattles in 1910, this book focuses on the power of our thoughts and beliefs when it comes to attaining wealth. It proposes that we must shift from a mindset of scarcity and competition to one of abundance through setting clear intentions, visions, and purposefully harnessing the power of our mind. This book made me realize money is a byproduct of the value we provide. Through work, we find meaningful. Book number 4, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Dale Carnegie's classic needs no introduction. It dispenses timeless wisdom on building strong relationships, adding value to others, genuinely caring about people, asking good questions, and avoiding arguments to win people over. Despite being written in 1936, the principles in this book will help you enormously when it comes to connecting with others in our digital age. Book number 5, Psychology of Money. And finally, Morgan Housel's brilliant book on the behavioral and psychological aspects that shape how we make financial decisions like saving, investing, and handling wealth. It exploded so many of my previous conceptions and helped me understand why we make irrational monetary choices even when we know better logically. The lessons here truly allowed me to grasp the deeper, often hidden aspects that govern our financial behavior. And there you have it, my top 5 absolutely life-changing books that I think everyone should read, especially in 2024. Let me know in the comments if you've read any of these or what books you'd add to this list. And make sure you grab a copy of whichever book resonates with you the most. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.